Yeah, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake using only 2 ingredients, chocolate and eggs. What's more, I'm going to do it in less than 2 minutes. Don't try this at home. Actually, you probably can, it's quite safe. It's just a cake. Start melting your chocolate. Use whatever brand of chocolate you like. If you have $15 that you don't want anymore, then buy 3 bars of Lindt. Next, you take 4 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. These ones say free range, but I don't know, they're in these tiny little compartments. They've got hardly any room to move in there. Now we introduce our yolks to our chocolate. Hello chocolate. Oh, g'day Ian, come on in. Oh, there I go. You don't have to do the voices, they are optional. It's just more fun. Next up, you need to beat the egg whites until they look like a cloud. I know what you're thinking, well what type of cloud? Cumulonimbus. Preferably. Now, gently and gradually fold the egg whites through the chocolate. Don't do it in fast forward, do it slowly. That's important. Next, put this into this into this. Okay, take it out of the oven and just let it chill out. Beautiful. Melt some more chocolate, whisk in a little water until it forms a ganache and lather it on top, and you're done. Oh God. And you make it from 2 things. Join me next week where I'll be making a lasagna using only a lemon and some tongs.